Good morning, friends. Today in Jamie's useful tool corner, I have this hole puncher. And this is originally designed for metal, but I needed something that would cut holes, or punch holes rather, when I'm making corsets, because sometimes my hand just friggin' hurts. And guess what? It worked. So this is Patil. If you make corsets, you'll know what this is. It's pretty heavyweight. So I layered up 4 layers and it punched through pretty clearly. Clearly this one on this side is not as great, but it's fine. You can still pop a grommet through that. Oh, baby, you will make my life so easy. No more sore hands after punching like 30 grommet holes. I'm putting a link in my description for those who want to save themselves some trouble.